Today on The Edgy Veg, I'm going to show you how to turn this ordinary piece of rice paper into the best vegan bacon you've ever had. Don't believe me? Let me prove you wrong. And make sure that you subscribe for salty, delicious bacon. Now I've seen this done a couple times online and I've tested them out, and after about 5 attempts at doing it, I came up with my own recipe and my own technique. To make the bacon marinade, we are going to take a bowl and a whisk, and we are going to whisk up some tamari, olive oil for greasy bacon goodness, nutritional yeast, of course, that helps like thicken it up and give it like a cool texture, garlic powder, a little bit of liquid smoke, some maple syrup for that like sweet flavor that bacon has. And then for added kick and flavor, because I'm not afraid of spices, paprika and pepper. Mix it up. With your dry rice paper, you are going to take 2 sheets, put them on top of each other, and using a super, super, super sharp knife, cut them into these like strips. Now what we're going to do with these is we are going to take a brush, dip it into water, the 2 that should be like, make sure they're kind of like the same size. And then brush like a generous amount, but not like so that they're drowning in water. And then put them together. A little bit of water on this side. I've seen people like soak it online, but it apparently is like super difficult to work with and it doesn't crisp up as much. So do that with a few strips. And then we are going to take our brush and we're going to paint this marinade onto our bacon strips, both sides, and put it on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. I mean, it starts to kind of look like bacon, and then we are going to throw this into the oven for about like 7 to 9 minutes at 400, which apparently is the technique to cooking perfect bacon anyway, baking it, not frying it. It tends to burn relatively quickly, so keep your eye on it. And then when we're done, we should have the perfect crunchy, salty bacon substitute. I think this is the closest thing that I have found yet, and it's great because if you like leave it in a Tupperware, it gets soft again. So you could even like wrap it around like king oyster mushrooms and then have like scallops wrapped in bacon. Bacon wrapped everything. Bacon double cheeseburger, bacon stuffed pizza crust, vegan French toast stuffed with vegan bacon and wrapped in bacon and then fried with bacon. Bacon! So there you have it, easy rice paper bacon that I think looks exactly like bacon. Now you can add more of the marinade if you like a softer, like more like meatier bacon. Do you prefer soft bacon, crispy bacon?
As a carnivore, I like it kind of in the middle. Smoky and kind of hickory-ish.
So is it carnivore approved?
Definitely carnivore approved.
All right guys, there you have it. Carnivore approved vegan rice paper bacon. If you like this recipe, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments below, like if you have a favorite bacon substitute.
Bacon substitute?
If you have a favorite bacon substitute that you like, or if you have a recipe request, leave it there. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. It's right there, and you will get these awesome recipes in your inbox every week. And we'll see you next time. Bye! Happy bacon!
Today on The Edgy Veg, I'm going to show you an awesome summer recipe. We're going to make vegan hot dogs using a very special ingredient, but it's not going to be so special because I'm going to tell you what it is. It's carrots. I'm going to show you how to make a carrot into a hot dog that tastes exactly like a hot dog.